Daniela Soltero. I work the retail side of Deus. Today we have an epic festival of analogue going on outside.
Across the bayou today. There's a whole lot of women, mama, out of red on the street today. Well, the river keeps talking, but you never heard of what she said.
We're John Wayne Bro. We're from Long Beach, Los Angeles area. We all hail from different cities in the U.S. and we kind of met up here and fucking play some rock and roll and fucking party. And yeah, it's a damn good venue, man. It is a damn good venue. You got motorcycles, you got beers, you got fucking sausages on the grill, you got old fucking studio radio equipment, you got old school cameras, some records, all sorts of fucking crazy shit around here. It's good stuff. It's good stuff.
The coffee. It's absolutely delicious. I've kind of become a caffeine addict and have at least 6 espressos a day. So that's a true story. That's what happens when Handsome is like 10 feet from you. Oh, Handsome does an awesome job. And our baristas are awesome.